And here we've got a nice bunch of relief foam. There we go. All right. That's better.
Coming right up.
Whoa. There it is. There it is. We're in Tampa Bay this morning. We're going to be lifting up a pool deck that is sunk due to soil erosion, a little bit of compaction. We've got this corner here that we'll do. You can see the crack over there. We're going to lift that up. And then this section here, you can see how the concrete's dropped down below the pool cage itself. But the customer's more concerned about just stabilizing it, that it doesn't get worse. So we're going to give it a good shot this morning. So it's lifting already.
Yeah.
Give it a long shot. Good lifting.
Yeah.
Well, this was poured independently to that. So that's why I've got this micrometer over here to see if we're getting any lift between the slabs. But I don't know how it was poured. It might be lifting with it. I just don't know. Eric, let me drill another hole in front of you there. Were you getting some movement, Eric?
Oh, I was.
Okay, give it a big shot. Let's see what happens. Keep going.
There you go.
Keep going. Keep going. Is it moving?
Yep.
Good. Just keep going. Is it moving?
No.
Okay. There we go. That's better.
Coming right out by the
Micrometer, okay.
Yeah.
It's coming out by the dial as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, at least we got a bit of movement on that one. Let it set up. Okay. Let that just set up a little bit, Eric.
Those grasshoppers are
Where? I don't see.
gross
Right at your
looking.
head.
You can see his butt.
Oh, yeah.
It's his thorax. He doesn't have a butt. It's his thorax.
Okay, Bill Nye.
Yeah, we're filling all the voids and compacting the soil, because at least we're getting movement on the dial, which means it has compressed the soil. Are you getting movement, Eric?
No.
All right.
Yes. No.
Whoa.
Rough as green.
All right. Get out of there, Eric. At least we got a lot of relief foam all the way around, which means that the voids are all filled and it's stabilized. So that's all that the customer really wanted, was to make sure it doesn't get worse. So now we're going to drill a hole in this corner here. We want to fill the void. There's a big void underneath there, but we want to see if we can get some lift out of this area as well, so we can close that crack up and raise this corner up somewhat. But again, there's more concern about the void below, stabilizing this so that it doesn't get worse. Just keep going, Eric. Look at that dial to your right. That's what I said. There we go, stop. Good job. All right, let that harden up, Eric. I'm going to put some material in this machine. Just filling up the machine with material. We're running a bit low, so putting some more material.
How
in
much
the machine.
material have we used?
We've used about 7 gallons up till now on that corner. Hey?
That dial's not moving.
It's okay. It's all right. The foam's filling the voids and compacting the soil, and that is the main objective. We'll keep watching.
Here, right? And then
Yeah.
come closer.
But if we can get enough foam there that it lifts this corner,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I think that will, because then the material's pushing back to that.
No relief foam yet.
The dial did move on like 5 degrees.
Okay. What's happening, Eric?
Check that.
Check.
Tell me if
Check. It has come up a bit.
it has, right?
It has. Keep going. Is the dial moved or not? Check,
I'd like
check,
to see
check
it on
out.
this.
It has moved. Look at this, dude. Jack, you're not concentrating. Look how much it's come up there. See that? It's moving independently from this block.
So
Wall that's been-
this here. is
Yeah.
what you- yeah.
Yeah.
What about if
Now
you
you'll
put it
see-
on there?
Well, now you'll see it move. Because this whole thing's come up already.
There it is.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Now you can form it. We just had it in the wrong place, that's all.
Well, well, well.
Well, well, well. What's wrong, Eric?
You have an itch in your ear.
He got a grasshopper in his ear.
Yeah. That wouldn't surprise me. Probably got cobwebs in my hair.
Come, old man, stop
I'm an
yakking,
old
get
dude.
going. This is working well. Don't stop while we're ahead. Shall we go catch a grasshopper? Yeah, Jack.
There we go.
There he is. Whoop!
You scared him. Ha.
Yep, because it's in the right place. That's okay.
That's new foam.
Huh?
Right, Jack?
Yeah.
Where my foot is?
That is.
Where was
I
that?
just popped the,
That just came out. The
Well,
screen-
that's come up nicely.
the screen
there
popped
too,
up.
Eric. Just hang on before you do anything else.
where the crack is.
If it cracked.
Difficult. The dial's moving.
You know what? It might just have been something along there popping, so keep going. And all of this looks good still, so small shots, Eric. What was that?
Felt that one, didn't you?
Oh, look how
this-
high it's come up. This thing's already lifted right off the...
That's the screen. It's crackling.
All right, give it one more shot there, then I want to stabilize this section. Yeah, Eric. Nice. You can hear the pool cage creaking.
Yeah, you can.
Can you hear that?
Crazy.
Hear the pool cage lifting. So we got good lift here. The voids are filled. Soil's compact. And we've
Okay.
lifted that probably about 2 inches. You can see over here. See how high that's come up? That was level with that.
Right?
What's that?
Out, right?
Yeah. So you can see how high that's come up. This block wall that they put here before for some sort of retainers stayed behind, so it's good. So now you see we've got cracks underneath here and big voids there. And I don't want to get lift on this because we're so close to the pool, but I want to fill that void. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes along this edge here just to fill that up, because over the years water's seeped in through this crack and caused voids down there. So we're just going to do some void filling there. And yeah, we can try, not all the way there, Eric, just till here. We're going to try and get lift out of this slab. You can see the difference there.
Yeah.
So, and I don't want to go too close to the pool. I just pre-drill them all because we're not going to be foaming too much. So we won't get foam coming out of the surrounding holes. And if it does, it's not a problem, but I rather just wanted to pre-drill all the holes so that once Eric starts foaming, we don't have to keep stopping and moving around. So we'll, so now we're just going to stabilize this. There's a little bit of lift we need, yeah? Yeah, I want to start here. I'm going to put the micrometer over there so we can see if we get lift, but I'm a bit wary of it because of the way it's broken and leaning towards the pool. I don't want to lift it on the pool's edge. It's going to go clockwise. We want it to go clockwise a little bit just to kind of stabilize this. Spray some water first, Eric, especially in that hole. Okay.
Why does he spray water first?
Because I wasn't sure about that hole. Yeah. I wasn't sure about that hole. It just felt strange when I drilled it. And by spraying water, there's some relief foam coming out already, which is perfecto. The dial's moving.
I'm going.
Yeah. And as we say in LA, Bob's your uncle. It means we're getting it right. It's a good day. Bob's your uncle. We got it right. So yeah, you can see the dial's moving nicely, which means this crack's coming up, which is great. That's what we want. And we're getting relief foam along here, which means we're filling that void up. Material's pushing this way. We're getting our lift we want. I think Eric, give it one more shot and then we're done in this hole. So I drilled a bunch of holes closer to the edge. I didn't spread them far out because the area is so small and we want to focus and localize the material on the outside and not have it go to the pool and raise that side on the pool. So this has worked out really well. And now you can see we had about a 1/4 of an inch drop there, and that's perfectly raised now where it's supposed to be. And we've got the same situation on this hole.
Yeah.
We want a little bit of lift on this.
There it goes.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It is moving.
Mm-hmm. And now we've got a nice bunch of relief foam. Just let that set up a little bit.
Now that implies the void is filling.
Yes.
Almost filled.
So even, yeah, well, it means roughly that area of void's full. Even though we don't have relief foam coming out between these holes, it doesn't mean that there's no material there. It just means that it hasn't blown out the side yet. Slowly. There we go. So now you can see the material slowly starting to spread this way. It's coming out there again. We're still getting lift, Eric. Yep.
Yeah.
We've got a little bit, probably
close,
an eighth of an, probably an eighth of an inch to go. Just wait for that to set up, yeah. Is that what Nicola keeps saying?
Yeah.
So now you can see it's pushing out sideways, filling up the voids towards the previous hole.
More relief foam, Ronnie.
Mm-hmm. And I think we're nearly there. I'm not going to blow too much more. We're almost there. I think one more shot, Eric. There it goes. All right. That's good, Eric. Okay, so yeah, we don't really want any lift because we're already a bit high there.
You guys see some of them?
Just, I don't even know if we're going to see any because this crack's not as big. I would almost say just give it one more shot, Eric, and then let's call it quits because this is...
Into the
Eric,
void.
Eric.
I don't think I'm going to do
Yeah, you're going to fall in the pool there, dude.
That'd be funny.
Yeah.
If you don't break your neck.
For us, not for Eric. Oh, it's all right. We've got workers' compensation. See, I don't want to go too much
I can see the foam.
He's so close to the edge of the pool. Yeah.
I can see it.
And you see it, all right.
Yeah, I see the little bulge of it.
Wait till one day a snake pops out a hole like that.
I know. I thought
Jack's got his face so close.
I thought that was gonna happen out there.
Huh. There we go. Hold on. It's filling up on the inside. I think, Eric, give it another shot. Keep going. Keep.
Here it
Okay.
comes.
There it is. Good job, Eric.
It filled in the void nicely.
It's exactly what we wanted, and we didn't get any lift on anything. We didn't get the back lifting up. So that was a good job. And that was very concerning because I didn't want to get this little slab lifting up. And we don't really want lift here, Eric. Actually, you know what? Yeah, just stand because you can sit with this one, Eric.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. Good job, Eric. Let me get it. Okay, so this one, we're going
Cobwebs.
to try and get a little bit of lift out of this.
You're going to be my eyes on that dial, okay?
Yeah, we wanted to go counterclockwise. All right, Eric. So this is the slab we originally got such good lift on the outside, but we've still got a little bit of a difference here, which is not much. And I don't mind if we don't get lift there, but we want to fill the void underneath here because that section there is all full. We're going to work on this, see if we get a little bit of lift on this here. Also don't want to pump too much because we're so close to the pool wall. And I don't want the material shifting to the back. We got lift. Yep. That dial's moving. There we go. Here comes some relief foam. There it is. I think we'll let that set up for a bit, and then Eric, you give it another, just one more shot, just to make sure we got all the voids filled. Because we're nice and level here. That dial moved nicely, so one more shot, Eric. There we go.
Is the dial moving?
Yep, dial's moving. Look how it's coming up all along the foam, all along the crack.
Oh yeah.
So that means the material's shifted over this way. It's coming up through the crack. We've got enough lift and stabilization. Bob's your uncle. Now it's the fun part, cleaning up. So we got this job completed successfully this morning. We lifted this corner up. We got that crack away. There was about an inch drop there. We stabilized all along the edge. You can see the foam that's come out the side. Filled voids along the edge here. Foam pumped out, blew out forward, which is great. That's exactly what we wanted. We lifted this slab up. There was about a 1/2 inch drop there, which is level now. It's about 1/2 inch drop here. That's level. So we got this up. This corner here, we lifted about 1.5 inches. Got that level, filled up the voids inside. And then this corner was a bit of an issue. We got about 3/4 inch lift here, but we didn't get it up all the way. The concrete just started cracking, and we can only do as much as the integrity of the concrete will allow us. So, but we did get lift, we stabilized it, and that was the customer's main concern, that we actually just stabilize it, that it doesn't get worse, because he wants to repave and redo his pool cage. So at least he knows that this is solid and it's not going anywhere in the near future. I'm happy with it. I'm always disappointed when we don't get 100% lift on it. Eric, go for a swim. I mean, this section was 100% perfect. So now they can self-level that, they can raise it up, they put pavers down, whatever they want, because he knows that the structure is solid now, no more voids. There was a big void under here, which was his main concern anyway, and that's why we came out to do it. That corner, we just added some foam in there, but this was his main concern, and we raised this up perfectly, filled the voids, got the cracks level, so it's all level again, and is where it's supposed to be, and all the voids underneath here are filled. So it was a good job. Job well done. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. If you need any concrete repair work in the Florida, Tampa Bay area, call the number below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Click this video here.